Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. Submission is that the apex court in another case has held that application under Order 41, Rule 27 is to be considered at the time of final hearing of the appeal. As such, the order passed by the lower appellate court rejecting the application moved by the appellants under Order 41, Rule 27 CPC is not sustainable in the eyes of law. Stop. The criminal court has dismissed the case filed by plaintiff against original defendant and others and has not found the allegations of fraud established against the said accused. As such, the judgment passed by the trial court was necessary for proper adjudication of the first appeal. Stop. Para. It is submitted by learned counsel for appellants that the appellants could not bring the said document on record earlier as the judgment in criminal case had come during pendency of the first appeal. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for appellants also contended that the learned trial court has grossly erred in recording in its finding that the defendant had got the said sale deed executed by playing fraud by putting an impostor in place of plaintiff and had tried to destroy the evidence in this regard. Stop. The first appellate court, without properly considering the contention raised by the appellants, has confirmed the said finding, which is not sustainable in the eyes of law. Stop. Para. It is submitted by learned counsel for appellants that the learned trial court was wrong in considering the contents of the complaint filed by plaintiff and the statement recorded under section 200 CRPC because the said statement could not have been relied as plaintiff was not put to cross-examination. Stop. Para. It is also contended that the first appellate court did not discharge the requirement of Order 41, Rule 31 CPC as it did not frame the point of determination while deciding the appeal. Stop. In this regard, he has relied on the judgment of this court. Stop. Para. Learned senior advocate appearing for respondent on the other hand submitted that the concurrent findings of fact have been recorded by both the learned courts below, holding that the sale deed was obtained by the appellants defendants by putting some impostor in place of plaintiff, and the appellants could not discharge their burden of proof by filing producing the original sale deed. Stop. It is submitted that the suit for cancellation of sale deed was filed by the predecessor in interest of the respondent plaintiff on the allegations that the alleged sale deed has been got executed by putting an impostor. Stop. On an application moved by the plaintiff, the trial court had directed the defendant to produce the original sale deed. However, despite the order passed by the court for production of sale deed, it was not produced before the court. Stop. The appellants had taken different stands, that is, original sale deed is with some other advocate. Thereafter, it was alleged that original sale deed was filed in Bank of Baroda in the form of guarantee, and later on a case was set up that after taking back the original sale deed from the bank when he was returning to his residence, the same was lost in the way. Stop. Para. It is also submitted that the witness of the appellants in his deposition has stated that the sale deed bears the signatures of 4 persons, while from a bare perusal of the certified copy of the sale deed it shows that it bears the signatures of only scribe and the signatures of plaintiff and Ram Asre did not find place on the sale deed. Stop. Para. It is further submitted that on an application moved by the plaintiff, the court had summoned register number 8 from the office of sub-registrar so as to get the signatures of plaintiff examined by an expert. Stop.